Greetings to all of you, my dear friends. I'm Candid Stephen, and I welcome you all back to my channel. Namaste, Salam Alaikum, and Kem Cho. Yes, my dear friends, I hope and believe all of you are doing great. Last time, as I said, this quote on being a rainbow in someone else's cloud. I'm sure each one of you have done your bit and helped each and every one around you. And today also, I have come with something good, something positive for all of you. The quote for the day, it goes like this. What consumes your mind, it controls your life. I repeat it. What consumes your mind, it controls your life. Yes, my dear lovely people, as you just now saw the quote, what consumes your mind, it controls your life. So, yes, let me explain it in a brief way to all of you. We all are already aware of so many negative and positive news that we see around us. And yes, let me be very obvious and very clear as we are in this present scenario of COVID. Each one of us, definitely for sure, we watch the news on YouTube, on our television channels. So, by those negative thoughts, by those negative news, our mind is so much been disturbed, so much it is, in frustration, there is so much of disturbance around. And do you think it is really going to help us a lot? When we watch the news, we see the information about death, about lack of oxygen, about lack of bed and the poor healthcare system and politics and so many things. Does all this really lead you to have a good life, have a good life daily? It's really not good. So what I would suggest each one of you is this. We can watch the daily briefing of the news. Yeah, that absolutely, it's very much required because you need to understand what's happening every day. But at the same time, try and focus yourself on the positive side. Look for something that is positive news. Things that will, actually give positive vibe in your mind, in your life, and in your daily energy. Your mind is always the important powerhouse of what you do every day. So if you keep on consuming the negative side, the negative news, it will ultimately impact you and me as well, if I say it. The same way, if you keep on watching some good news, like some positive news, maybe some inspirational news, or maybe some this positive quotes or anything for that matter, please watch something good which will help your soul. It will give you positive energy in your soul, in your mind, in your physical fitness. In these times, it is really not practical that we keep on consuming negative energy. Already we have this virus spread all around, but at the same time, if you still keep on consuming more, it is the biggest virus to consume the negative news. So let's, inhale positive energy. Let us exhale the negative energy from within. So that's the best way we can survive and we can move forward and look for a positive ray of hope and pray for a positive side. So I request you all to, please keep on watching something which is positive. Keep your daily exercise. Keep something which will keep you health with your mind, with your body, with your soul. Keep on reading good books. Keep on watching interesting things on YouTube. Yes, watch great coaches, great people who give or share good positive thoughts about life. I believe even this phase will pass away, but let us also take care of ourselves and, let's be on the positive side. So dear friends, as I conclude this video, I request you all, let's, consume positive news because what controls our mind, it will control our life as well. So our mind is very important, whatever we listen and whatever we grasp in and whatever we absorb. So we need to take control of our mind and accordingly we need to, take control of our life. So as I conclude this video, I request you all to please visit Dubai Jobs Hunt on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Telegram for all the latest career jobs and to find yourself more advanced in your career. Also, you can visit talentbay.in. Please visit this site, talentbay.in. It is really helpful to all the talented artists like musicians, drummers, You may be a good MC, you may be a good motivational speaker, you may be having so many good talents around you. Let's use it, let us monetize it. And yes, on this site, if you go, we will help you to stand out as a brand. So please visit talentbay.in. And finally, you can follow me, Candid Stephen, on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn. Please support me. Please watch my videos, and if you have any feedback, please give it to me so that I can improve myself more and more. And please keep sharing this positive vibe around and the positive news around. And I'm sure each one of us will come out to this tough time as well. So once again, thank you for watching this video, and take care and God bless. And keep consuming good in your mind, and let's control our life.